because there's been so much charge forest is covered in thick of dense tree cover.
Total containment area and fire size is estimated to be about 650 acres. We have hand crews working on the fire and continuing to drop water on areas that are hot, what we call hot spots.
Much of the land is covered with dead, dry leaves and bark, which is a perfect recipe to fuel the forest fire.
These are pieces of bark and pine needles, if you will, leaves and other debris that catch fire and then travel sometimes long distances to start new spot fires.
The firefighters are using hand tools, digging trenches and clearing the dry ground, creating a fire line. They are conducting a burnout operation or controlled burn to eliminate the debris that's keeping this fire going.
The fire right now is not this whole thing. It's approximately 400 acres now. It hasn't consumed all of this fuel yet, but it will with our burnout operation.
The Kanouse fire can be seen from this neighborhood, but officials say the residents are safe.
They say they are doing the control, they're trying to keep it under control and keep it from spreading, so I'm hoping that that's the case.
Good luck to you.
Scary stuff, though.
Yeah, now you're looking at the topography of the land, and you're looking at that one tree we're looking at. You can see the root system. That's how precarious the situation is. And you
Meanwhile, a second fire, Wildfire in Ocean County, New Jersey, is now 3,800 acres. Thankfully, no one was hurt in that one. Forest Fire Service staff say that they will monitor the fire so that they can maintain and move containment lines to keep residents safe. Smoke will be in the area for the next few hours. No word yet on the cause of this fire.
Let's bring in Chief Meteorologist Lee Goldberg now. Lee, we've been dealing with this fire threat for a few days now. When can we expect conditions to improve?